Hi everyone, how's it going? Okay, so we have had basically 2 weeks downtime, honestly. This week we left the house on Tuesday. Today is Saturday. We haven't left since. I love it. I absolutely love it. Anyways, it is official move-in day. And I've actually been feeling as though I've been a little, I don't know, transit area, I guess, because we've been living in this Airbnb for almost 2 weeks, like a week and a half, and I'm just ready to move into a more permanent place. And I didn't want to get too comfortable, so unpack. I just don't want to get too comfortable, and when it's time to go, it's just like I'm gonna want to left. Anyways, time to pack up to our official new apartment, which we're actually renting from somebody. We're renting 2 rooms in her apartment, and that's a whole other story. There's a connection with that. I know her, or met her, connected to her, to my dad. She apparently was visiting my island last year. My dad met her randomly and got her contact information. She's Colombian, turns out she has room for rent, and she had rooms for the time that Alec and I needed to be in Colombia. Trippy how those kind of things work out, but all we have to do is walk with our suitcase and everything else is deal. So like I said, just excited to be moving in, because I finally feel like I can settle, and then boom, time to go, time to explore, time to do what needs to be done. So packing up right now. I had some stuff in here, and this is really it. So put these things here. I still need to figure out, when you're packing, it's always like a little jigsaw puzzle or Tetris type of thing. But other than that, I think we're good. We have to leave by 1. It is now 11. I'm just packing up because I'm like, what else do I do? What else do I do? What else do I do? Like I said, just eager to get into a space. Y'all know it's not official until my flag is on the wall. So I'm going to show y'all when we're moving. And yeah, we also have some gap time. There's about 2 hours because we can only move in at 3, but we have to leave here at 1. So we're probably just gonna go to a place, grab lunch with our suitcases, and hang on until we can move in. Yeah, so come along for our official move in. And I think I've shown you all this apartment. I think I have. But in any case, here's my room. Cute, but it's as though you're on the streets, and them streets be busy. So yeah, and also the wall doesn't go all the way up, so you can hear everything in this apartment, everything in the apartment below. Oh gosh. But other than that, it was really, really nice. And also the Wi-Fi in this bedroom isn't so good, but the Wi-Fi outside, excellent, and the owners are really, really nice. So yeah, we found this place on Airbnb. Yes, I'll show you the rest of the place when time comes. Okay, bye, stay tuned. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, share with everybody, tell everybody about Global Gyal. If you'd like to contribute and support Global Gyal, I have my PayPal and my Patreon down below. Okay, thanks, appreciate it. Okay everyone, we're all packed up. This is the space, if you remember it. And Aleka sitting on her suitcase.
Trying to close it.
Did it help?
Yeah. I got it.
Oh, okay. And our kitchen. Again, this is our groceries. And we packed up our groceries in here. And the bathroom. So basically finished. We gotta hike everything back downstairs, but Aleka made a good point. It's better than hiking it back up. About to call an Uber and go to the new space. So wish us luck. I'm excited. I'm actually kind of excited. I'm just ready to call a place home. I'm excited. Okay, so we made it to our new place, and I'm gonna show y'all. I'm gonna give y'all an apartment tour. So let's go. Hey. Oh, this is the official Colombian place. Okay, so oh, this is my car. Yes, the apartment comes with her.
She paid for me.
Okay, so first off is the living room. Oh, okay. Oh yeah, there are lights. Okay, let me turn on these lights for y'all. Yes, so first off is the living room. Very, very cute. Look at all the plants, look at the sofa. We got our suitcases and stuff here, and a very nice table. Let's show you one of the highlights is this door because it leads to a mini balcony. Look at our balcony. Look at the road. Now I don't know if this is actually downtown, but it is in the city, so we are actually city living. And actually, this is actually something that I wanted to do since I started my travels in 2018, and I've never been able to afford to do it, but now I am. Hey, so cool. Very, very nice space. This is the cat. What's the cat's name again? The cat's name is Ash or Ashes in Espanol. So somebody tell me what that is. Yeah, Cienza something. Now let's show you the kitchen. That came with a leg as well. It's a small kitchen, but it gets the job done. You know, there's a blender, coffee machine, that kind of stuff. Ooh, gas stove. I like it. And we got 4 stuff instead of 2, like the last time. Yay. Kitchen. You can basically do everything you want. And then a sign here in Spanish. It says, after you use the kitchen, please something clean, something something, how to something, something something, something something something, and cockroaches. Oh, and the something help to have, and it helps to have a convenient something. Thank you. No something plates, something in the night.
Don't leave dirty plates during the night.
Ah, don't leave dirty plates during the night. Alaka is a pro. Alaka is a pro at this. Okay, now we're going down the hall, and oh, I don't know what this turns on. And we had to decide, but Alaka has selected this room as hers, and we might swap later down, but this is the room. It has very nice, it's very cozy. Has its own desk, has a little view out here. Isn't that cute? I think that's cute. And then the mirror. Ooh, you got these hanging, these hooks for your jackets. I like it. Ooh, and you got an extra blanket.
There's jackets?
There's a hook behind the door for jackets.
Oh,
Yeah.
okay.
Yeah. And I think that's very cute over there, that those shelves. It's well thought out. Then our bathroom. Now the bathroom is muy pequeño. Muy pequeño. It's very small, pero it gets the job done. So that's the sink. Can't want no more than that. Then this is the toilet, and this is the shower. Now, I won't lie. This is almost the size of my bathroom in Ghana. Almost. The shower is just slightly bigger. But y'all know once you can do that, you can live anywhere. Then this is a spare room. This is the cat's room. It's not really the cat's room, it's just where you can keep your suitcases and stuff. But the cat does feed itself in here. Next, we're gonna go to the back. Oh, we have our little mini courtyard, which is so convenient. And you have this, which I really like because some is sheltered and some is not. You get the sun, you get this outside feel, even though you're inside, you're checking. You know, just pull up a chair and just be like, oh, I'm chilling outside. And then we come down here, and then we go to this other place, which is workspace. Yeah, it's a workspace. Ooh, it looks like she did pottery and painting. Wow, learning something new every day. Okay, these stuff are so nice. This is gonna be my workspace. Oh, let's go. gonna be amazing, amazing, amazing. Props it on. Love it. Okay. Then she really does pottery. That's dope. Then this is going to be my room, and it's so nice. So you get the light in and everything, and you know, you get these nice blankets and the desk and the chair and stuff, and you have closet space. Ooh, there's a few bits of closets. Now y'all know this can work for me, because again, my closet in Ghana is just a little thing. Oh, I am have something for hang up something. Yes, Jack. Let me see how this window go. Oh, I see. That's not much of a view out there, but you can only open up this one. Interesting, but I guess it's so make it hard for people to break in. But yes. Oh, I didn't even look. Where's the plug? Oh, the plug is there. Oh, that's brilliant. Okay. So we got this. So nice. I really like this room. And I have the perfect place for my flag. It's gonna be right here. It's gonna be right here. It's gonna be right here. Okay. Mirror. Full length mirror. Ooh. Yes. So happy to just be in one spot and to be able to unpack and just do, you know? This is great. This is great. And then this is Angelica's room over here, which is nice. So we're in our Colombian home and I'm loving it. Oh, this is the laundry area as well. So we got that. There's Alexa unpacking because she's so nice. Yay! And I know home. Okay, so thank you for staying tuned. Gonna go unpack and breathe because we're home now. Thanks for watching. No time wasting, y'all. I am basically unpacked. I'll show you. So I have my desk here with my editing stuff, my family photos, and yes, and then my closets all unpacked, and I can't believe how much stuff I actually have. I have stuff up here too, lots of bags and warm clothes and stuff. And then over here, I had to close it. Let's see if I can even wear dresses and stuff like that. And a little bit more shoes. But yeah, yo. All it need now is I have to go and find some hooks so I can hook up the flag. Y'all know I need my Antigua flag, and actually I have another flag that I love, and it is this, and it's because it's called the Caribbean Unity flag. This is what it is. I stole it from somebody on the road, but it has all the flags of the different islands, but not all, but it's just showing unity between Caribbean countries: English, Spanish, French, Dutch. So yeah, I might try to hang out both of them. Yeah, so that's my room, and see y'all next time. Bye. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Global Gyal.